In this video, I will show you how to add categories for each of the custom post types we have set up. So we'll go into Stay for an example. So if we click on Accommodation Categories, there is a full list of existing categories here. To edit a category, you will click on the name, and it will show you several fields to change. So you can change the name of the category. Make sure that if you do change the name, you will follow and change the slug, because the slug generally has to match the name. You can have a very long name and then shorten the slug. That would be okay. If you have more than 2 words in a slug, make sure to separate it with dashes. You can select a parent category. For example, you can have resorts, and then within the resorts you can have all-inclusive or adult only or kid-friendly, anything like this. So the resorts would be your parent category, and anything under that category will be considered a child category. So you would select your parent category here. The description field, this is always a good idea to add a short description for this specific category, and this is good for search engine optimization. You can also add a longer description if you wish. The last thing to do is to add an icon. Right now we have a yellow icon set up for resorts. You can actually upload a different icon for each category in custom post type, or you can keep the same one. So all you have to do is click on remove image if you don't like it, click upload. You can either upload a new icon from your computer by clicking select files, or in the media library tab select an icon that's been preloaded for you already. And the last thing to do is save your update. Now if you ever wanted to add a new category, again you go back to the categories listing and just fill in the fields right here on the left, which are the same exact same fields as I just showed you in the edit screen. So the name, the slug will be populated automatically based on your name, but you can always come back and change it if you wish. Select your parent category if you want one, or if you make a parent category then you don't have to. Description, more description, and then category icon. On the right here you'll see the full list of all of your available categories, and in the count column it's very useful to see how many listings you have assigned to a specific category. So if we click on it, let's do resorts. It will take you to the page where you can see the listings specifically assigned to that category. It is also very helpful when you have a ton of listings and maybe you need to find a specific one. So you can always type in the name, but if something happens and doesn't pull it up, you can go into your categories and at least start narrowing it down by category. So I think this covers it.